So please welcome our house band, Pilot Club.
Earth, water, wind, water, heart.
Go
Planet! By your powers combined, I am Captain Planet. Captain Planet, he's our hero. Gonna take pollution down to zero. He's our powers magnified, and he's fighting on the planet side. Captain Planet, he's our hero. Gonna take pollution down to zero. He's gonna help us, put us under. Bad guys who like to loot and plunder.
You pay for this, Captain Planet.
Where the planet is, you can be one too. Saving the planet is the thing to do. Looting and ballooning is not the way. Here's what Captain Planet has to say. The power is yours.
It's fine. Last question. Can you do a little dance for us? Oh God! No! It's a real thing! Everyone, it's a real thing! Karen! Karen, help me! Help me, Karen! Karen!